Hello everyone, I'm Alisa from Magic Laser. Today, I will give you a quick tour of our factory. First up, our warehouse. We keep plenty of spare parts in stock, so we can produce and ship our orders super fast. We are not using any off-brand of components. All of our machines are using reliable, high-performance components. Next, let's check out our laser cutting machine production area. We have got a professional R&D and manufacturing team that focus hard on quality. Plus, our full QC and after-sales team are always here to help you if you need anything. Now here is our laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine production area. Since we stock tons of parts, we can produce and deliver these machines in as little as 3 days when you need them fast. Last stop, our laser marking machines. We offer different casing styles to fit all kinds of customer needs. Welcome to our factory anytime you want. Just leave a message here or call me directly.